Hello, students. Have you ever noticed how a plant in your garden wilts when you forget to water it and then suddenly springs back to life after watering? That miracle is the story of water in plants. Water isn't just a drink for plants, it is the very essence of life inside them. It forms a large part of the protoplasm, the living matter of cells, and without it, no green leaf could function. Minerals, on the other hand, are like the vitamins and nutrients we humans need. They are the builders, the enablers of growth and metabolism. Roots silently absorb both water and minerals from the soil, keeping plants alive and thriving. So today, let's explore why water and minerals are absolutely indispensable for plants. Let's begin with photosynthesis, the process that fuels all life on Earth. In green leaves, water acts as a raw material. Along with carbon dioxide, it participates in one of the most amazing chemical reactions ever known: 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus 6 molecules of water, in the presence of light energy and chlorophyll, produce 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. Without water, this reaction cannot take place, which means no glucose, no energy, and no food for the plant. Imagine a kitchen without ingredients. The stove may burn, but no meal is prepared. That's exactly what happens to a leaf deprived of water. Photosynthesis halts, and the plant starves. Now let's move to another wonder: transpiration. Have you ever touched the surface of a leaf on a sunny day and felt it slightly cool? That's because water is evaporating from its surface. In fact, a large portion of the water absorbed by roots is lost as vapor through transpiration. But this loss is not wasteful. It serves 3 critical purposes. It cools the plant during hot weather, it helps maintain the leaf temperature, and most importantly, it creates a suction force that pulls more water upward from the roots. It's like nature's own pump system working tirelessly inside every leaf you see. Water also acts as a transport highway of the plant. Imagine a city without roads, supplies would never reach the people. Similarly, water forms the medium in which minerals, nutrients, and sugars dissolve and move. Through xylem vessels, water carries mineral salts from roots upward to the shoots and leaves. Through phloem, sugars made in leaves travel to fruits, flowers, and roots. Without this flowing stream of water, the whole transport system of the plant would collapse. So, when we water a plant, we are not just quenching its thirst, we are fueling its internal transport network. Now here's something fascinating: water also gives plants their strength and posture. Inside each cell, water fills the vacuoles, creating pressure that pushes the cell wall outward. This condition, called turgidity, keeps the plant tissue stiff and upright. That's why a freshly watered plant stands tall, while one deprived of water wilts and bends. Think of a balloon filled with air. It's firm and bouncy. Release the air and it collapses. In exactly the same way, water maintains mechanical stiffness in plants, ensuring their leaves can spread wide to capture sunlight. Let's explore why this process is so critical with real examples. Think about plants growing in salty soil or coastal areas. If too much salt surrounds the roots, it disrupts normal water absorption, and root cells may even lose water, a process called plasmolysis. That's why many plants cannot survive in salty conditions. On the other hand, in droughts, when there is too little water in the soil, roots cannot absorb enough. The result is wilting. But desert plants, or xerophytes, have evolved brilliantly. They send roots deep or spread them wide to capture even the smallest drop of water. In agriculture, we solve these challenges through irrigation and soil management, ensuring roots remain healthy absorbers. So, whether it's a desert cactus or your paddy field, root absorption truly decides plant survival. So let's tie it all together. Water in plants drives photosynthesis, fuels transpiration, enables transportation, and provides mechanical stiffness. Minerals, absorbed through roots, are the architects of growth, metabolism, and energy production. Together, water and minerals form the lifeline of plants, ensuring survival, reproduction, and ecological balance. Isn't it incredible that every tall tree and every tiny flower depends on these invisible supplies from the soil? Next time you see a garden or a farm, remember, each drop of water and every mineral ion absorbed by roots is writing the story of life on Earth. Biology truly reveals how beautifully orchestrated nature is. Until our next lesson, keep observing the wonders around you, because every leaf and every root is alive with science.